Guys, Salvation Hunter one more time. Let's go ahead and learn today how to use the substitute formula in order for us to replace a specific character or a set of characters that you want to just look up in a string. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and use the substitute formula. Special shout outs to Mr. Billy Ramirez, Mr. Hector Gonzalez, and Mr. Eleazar Gaitan. Let's just go ahead and place the formula on this one first, okay? If you just type in the first, oops, I'm sorry. Type in SUB and you can choose the formula right there. So let's just go ahead and look on B. This is B3 actually. And what are we looking for? Okay, I want to replace the spaces that we have in between these names and last name. It really doesn't matter if you have two names and two last names or just one name. You will see, as I'll show you here, you have several options to do these. You can choose in which specific criteria you want to change these. But in this case, I will explain each parameter so that you understand how this works. First, I'm going to look for a space. So this is what I will actually add here in the parameter as the old text. Okay, criteria, and then the new text. What do I want this text to be replaced with? Okay, let's just go ahead and make this as an example. Let's just put the plus sign in here and instance number. Okay, this is the number that you want to change or place in the string. If the string has more than one criteria met, meaning that if you find more than one space, you have to specify here if you want to change the first one or the second or the third, depending on how many of them you have. In this specific case, I have different types of names and last names, some of them 3, some of them 2 spaces. So the best thing when you have different type of numbers in each string is better just to leave it without this instance number parameter, which is optional in any case. So let's just go ahead and close the parentheses and hit enter, and you can see here now that the space was actually replaced with the plus sign that I add in there. Let's just go ahead and try it with the rest of them just by dragging this down until we get to the end of it. As you can see, these actually work just perfectly fine. This was a question that was posted recently on Facebook, so I decided to make one of these videos in order for you to learn how to use this. So let's go ahead and do the same things with the numbers. Let's say you want to have a dash instead of the spaces there. We can perfectly do that. So again, subs. Let's click on the formula. All text, as always, we pass the string that we want to work with. We look for the spaces, and in this case, I'm going to use a dash for to separate these numbers. But being the case that we found this situation, let's track the formula to see if everything is now clear, which indeed it is. This is the way you use the subs, and you get a little bit of a left formula as well on these. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video.